Hey everyone, this is how you can delete the payment method from Klarna app. After you've signed in and added a payment method, but you want to delete it now, simply tap on the payment method that you want to delete. For example, I want to delete this. And after you tap on it, you'll see several options. Look at the bottom. There you'll see an option called delete card. Simply tap on it. And after a few moments, Klarna will try to delete every single details about this card, so the details will not be misused. And this is how you can delete the payment method from Klarna. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.